Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Khmer Traditional Food. Khmer Traditional Food is more vegetable by your favorite. Yeah, look like good. The first, we chop Ferroniella lucida until small like this. Yeah, this chop, and then we chop the pork. This is a picture you can see and write English in it. And the first we put garlic chop. This garlic chop has chili and lemongrass and chop together and then put in the pot and stirring until it become a brown color, and then we put the fish Prohok chop and stirring until it's slightly boiled. After that, we put the pork chop. This pork chop I put in refrigerator for one night, and then it's hard. Onion chop put after well cooked. After stirring food in the pot ready, and it's well cooked, and then we add the sugar and salt and fish sauce, and glutamate by your favorite of taste. Stirring until stirring and let it boil until well cooked. But this is it. The well cooked ready, more vegetable and look like delicious. This is a food for health, good health for family, in family. Okay, thank you for watching my TV.